Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite products to firm the skin. I know I talk a lot about copper peptides, tretinoin, retinaldehydes, and I won't be talking about those in today's video only because I talk about them a lot. You guys know that it does help to firm and address signs of aging, but I also wanted to reintroduce some other products that I don't talk a lot about here on my channel. You have heard me talk about these most likely in the past, but again, I don't talk a lot about them, and I wanted to share something different in case you are someone that can't use tretinoin, copper peptides, and so on. Now remember, consistency is key with skincare. The more consistent you can be with your products, the chances of you seeing quicker results is a lot higher. Now, not only do these products help to firm the skin, they will help to stimulate new collagen, elastin, improve texture and tone, and of course to soften fine lines and wrinkles, but these are also great products to help prevent as well. So let's get right into today's video. Of course, all of these products will be linked below for you for your reference, including discount codes and related videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, as I would love to have you all here long term. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, as it really does help to support my channel. All right, so the first product that can really help to firm, lift, and contour your facial muscles is using the ZIIP Halo microcurrent device. I have talked about this a few times in the past, and you guys know that I really love it. It's a part of my weekly routine. I personally like using this in my morning routine only because I want to see those results that last for the entire day. But if you have more time to do this at nighttime, feel free to do it at night, and you're still going to wake up the next morning with those results, because this device will give you results that can last up to 72 hours. So you don't have to use this every day if you don't want to. But I will suggest that if you are new to this, I would say use this every day for at least a couple of weeks. And then after that, do maintenance. You can do it every 3 days if you want to, 2 to 3 times per week. It's totally up to you. So you don't have to use this every day forever. If you want to, you can, but if you don't have time, then just do maintenance. And that's what I do. I just use this a couple of times per week just to keep those results going, and it really does work. Now, this has both the microcurrent and the nanocurrent technology. So microcurrent stimulates those facial muscles. It gives your facial muscles a little workout. It gets everything moving. And with that being said, it creates blood circulation, which leads to that glowing, more rejuvenated complexion. You will notice that after your first use, you will have this nice glow to your skin. The nanocurrent technology in here will give you those long-lasting results. And this is the one microcurrent device that I have used personally that actually gives long-lasting results. It really does, and this is why the ZIIP Halo is my absolute favorite microcurrent device. Now I'm going to show you how I use this by inserting a little demonstration here, and at the very end of this video you will see my before and afters. But you can use this multiple different ways. Of course, you can just use this how I am in this video, or you can download the ZIIP Beauty app, which is completely free, and there is a ton of step-by-step tutorials that you can follow, and it gives you other ideas on how to use this. Because of course, you don't have to just use this on the cheeks and the jawline. You can actually use this on your lips. Like, there are so many different techniques for different lifts and contours, but also to firm and address fine lines and wrinkles. And this really does help to soften fine lines. It can help to prevent, and it's just a wonderful microcurrent device. Now, of course, when you are using this, you do need to use the microcurrent gel. So when you do purchase one, there is a little gel that comes in the box, but it's not going to last too long. So you do want to pick up some additional gels, because this is a must to get the microcurrent to work on your skin. You need the gel for this to glide across the skin, for it to penetrate into your facial muscles. So this is the silver gel, which helps with additional hydration. So if you have dry skin, this one is wonderful. And I also really like the crystal gel. This will actually help to brighten the skin. You don't have to rinse your face after you have done your ZIIP Halo treatment. You can actually leave this on your skin and then go and apply all of your other skincare on top if you really wanted to. Or of course, you can rinse this off and then go in with your skincare. It's totally up to you. Sometimes I will leave these on my skin, and then sometimes I will rinse them off. It just depends on how I feel and what I am using that day in terms of beauty products. But I really love these two gels specifically, and the one that comes with the device is also lovely. And right now they are offering 20% off the ZIIP Halo device as well as their superior set by using my discount code ASHLEYZIP. And they're also offering 25% off their gels if you use my discount code ASHLEYGEL. Of course, I will have that information linked below for you for your reference, but I'm telling you right now, the ZIIP Halo really does perform, and I personally can't live without it. Apologies for the lighting in this video. I know I look a little washed out and the video looks very bright, but it's storming outside, so I had to put a ring light right in front of my camera here, which I haven't done in like 2 years, and I'm not used to it because it's making me look really bright and washed out. But you do what you gotta do on a cloudy day like this. So if I look a little bright, that's why. Next is the Timeless Skincare Matrixyl Synthe 6 Serum. I did recently talk about this in the Timeless Black Friday video that I uploaded where they're offering 50% off. So if you want to check out that video, I will leave it below for you. Yes, this is 50% off currently until December 2nd. This serum helps to address accelerated signs of aging. So I find that this helps to firm the skin quicker than, let's say, the Matrixyl 3000 serum that you can also purchase from Timeless, but you can also find Matrixyl 3000 from The Ordinary, and so many other brands carry it. So this is a peptide serum, but I really like this peptide serum specifically over Matrixyl 3000 because of how quickly it works, but also this is a very hydrating plumping serum, and this serum will help to firm, it will help to stimulate new collagen and elastin, and it can help to soften fine lines and wrinkles. It's also a great serum to pair up with tretinoin, with retinol if you're someone that is using those higher strength products right now. So use this first and then your retinol after. But if you're someone that can't use retinol, or let's say even a vitamin C serum, then this would be a great alternative to use. If you can't use copper peptides, then I would say go with this because this really is exceptional. And this is the single-use pouches, so you don't have to purchase the pouches if you don't want to. There are 28 of them in here, which is great for travel and so on, but they do offer 2 size options in their dropper style packaging. So if you'd rather go that route, then there are some other options. So I will leave those below for you. But I like these because, of course, if you travel a lot or you go away a lot on weekends, it's just so easy to throw in your bag. It doesn't take up any room, and 1 pouch is 1 use. So put this all over your face, bring this down your neck. If there's anything left, bring it down to your chest area, and these are wonderful. So you can use them with retinol, but you don't have to if you don't want to. It's a great one to even use in your morning routine, and I love Matrixyl Synthe 6 because it really does firm the skin. The next product is Niod Fractionated Eye Contour Concentrate. You guys know how much I love this eye serum, right? I've been talking about this for several years, and this really is one of the best under eye serums to tackle signs of aging, especially firming the skin. This will help with dark circles, puffiness, crepiness, dullness, and those crow's feet. As long as you're consistent, you can help to soften those in time as well. Now, this has a lot of peptides in it. There's ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C. There's a vitamin C derivative in here. There's niacinamide, there's Centella asiatica. Honestly, the list goes on. There are so many impressive anti-aging ingredients that are in here, and I truly haven't found anything like it. There isn't retinol in here, so if you are looking for an under eye serum that doesn't have retinol, then you're safe with this one. So this one can be used every day, twice a day, and you can use this with your peptide serums, with your vitamin C, with tretinoin, and this is something that I do use a lot through the week. If I'm not using this at night, then I'm using this in the morning. It's one of my go-tos, especially in my morning, because I do find it helps to depuff really well. and it's very hydrating also. All you need is one little drop, and that will do both of your eyes. So a little bit goes a long way. It spreads nicely, and I do like to put an eye cream or my face moisturizer on top of this to lock in moisture to prevent transepidermal water loss, and this is exceptional, you guys. And it's 23% off right now until December 6th. So great time to snag one up if you've been wanting to try it. Next is the Dr. Dennis Gross Derminfusions Fill Plus Repair Serum. I was talking about this a lot several months ago, back in the spring months or something like that. It's been a while since I've talked about it. And I was really consistent with this back then. I think I went through 2 or 3 bottles of this. And then of course I got testing other things, and then I just put this to the side. But I want to start using this again because this is a product that does it all. This could replace a lot of your skincare products that you have currently if you really wanted to simplify your skincare routine down and eliminate some of your existing products. Again, if you can't do tretinoin, retinol, and all of those active ingredients, then this could be your substitution. You can use this every day, twice a day. So this will help to firm. It really does. From my experience with this, I noticed that my skin was firmer, brighter, softer and smoother, and also this did help to repair my skin barrier. So this will help to address fine lines and wrinkles, and it can help to reduce the look of facial redness with the niacinamide and ectoin ingredient. There are 4 weights of hyaluronic acids in here, so I do find this to be a very plumping and hydrating serum. There are 4 types of peptides. There's squalene, colloidal oatmeal, green tea, beta-glucan, bakuchiol, that plant-based alternative to retinol, and honestly the list goes on. There are so many wonderful ingredients in here. There is fragrance, so I do want to make sure that I mention that in case you can't do fragrance. It has a floral scent to it, but it's very mild. I actually quite like it. And this could even be a serum that you could pair up with retinol and tretinoin if you really wanted to. But it's great just on its own, and it's very impressive in terms of clearing up texture. So from my experience, I mean, I think this does a better job than using an exfoliating acid. I mean, when I use a lactic acid or something, sometimes it takes a while for me to see a difference in terms of texture. But with this one, within 2 days, that texture was completely wiped out. So that's just so impressive in my opinion. But again, we are all different. I mean, you might see other things that I did not notice, but it does firm like a dream, and it is expensive, but in my opinion, it really is worth the money, and I just really love this product. And this is honestly one of the best from Dr. Dennis Gross. Hands down. And the last product that I'm going to be recommending is by Drmtlgy. This is the Neck Contouring Serum, their newest product. I did recently talk about this in a video where I was sharing 3 products that I love using on my neck for signs of aging. This was one of them that I mentioned. So if you would like to check out that video, I will leave it below for you and up here. And also Drmtlgy is hosting their Black Friday sale right now, which I already created content on. So there is a video up on my channel where I share my top picks and recommendations for the 30% off sale. So if you want to also check out that video, I will have it below for you and up here. But I did try this prior to the launch date, and I am obsessed. I have been using this every day, twice a day since I received it. And I think that this will be very beneficial, especially with long-term use, because this is designed to lift and tighten and firm the skin on the neck, but also to address those horizontal necklines that we can all develop at some point. This will also help with texture. So the ingredients in here are niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and a peptide, but there's also an ingredient called pullulan, which actually puts a protective barrier across the skin to protect the skin from the environment, from pollution. There's also 2 other key ingredients in here called elkhorn sea moss and terra fruit extract. So these 2 ingredients will also help to put a protective barrier across the skin, but these help to improve texture. And this really does help to improve that softness and that smoother look and feel to the skin. And from my time using this, I have noticed that, but also I do find that my neck is a little bit firmer also. I haven't seen any results yet in terms of the horizontal necklines. I feel like that's something that will take time. We might need to use a few of these before we notice a difference with those necklines, or maybe not, but I haven't seen anything yet in terms of the neck wrinkles. But the firmness and the texture, yes, I have noticed a difference when using this. And this is a product that you can use on your chest also. So I really like the packaging. So it comes with a nice medical grade applicator, and it comes with an on and an off. So obviously spin it to the on, you want to squeeze the tube, the serum will come out through the metal applicator. Once you see the serum, spin it to the off and then start rolling this across your neck. Make sure you get right up to that jawline, and then if you want to go onto your chest, you can, and then just take your fingers and massage the product into your skin. The serum at first will be a little tacky and sticky, but as soon as it dries down skin-like, and your skin isn't tacky anymore. So once your skin has dried down, then go in with your other serums, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen, and that's how you would want to use this. And again, you can use this every day, twice a day, of course. So I really love it. I think that this can be very beneficial, and if you're into separate neck type products to firm and to address signs of aging, it's worth looking into, and it's really nice and cooling as well when you use it. Sometimes I will pop this in the fridge a half an hour prior to using, and I just love that cooling sensation, especially when it's been in the fridge. So again, 30% off currently, but after the sale, I do have a 20% off code, which I will leave below for you. It's Sincerely Miss Ash, and you can use that ongoing on anything from Drmtlgy. So those are some of my favorite skincare products to help firm the skin. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to introduce you to something new. Remember, I still love copper peptides. I will always use tretinoin, love retinaldehydes and retinol. Those are great options as well. But again, if you can't use those, then these are some great options to look into, and all of the products will be listed below for you, including discount codes. Now, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask away, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.